Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm in the middle of painting right now, but there's something that I want to tell you that's coming up next weekend. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this is some products that I got, that I actually bought from Limelight. I'm gonna leave all this information as to where I got all this in the description below. This is a YouTuber. His channel's called Time Warp. He does a lot of real nice lowrider graphics, a lot of custom paint, and he has a store which sells a bunch of tape, some crushed glass, some metal flake, some plastic blades, interface pad. This is a metal panel which is designed like something like a hood, but it's a metal panel. It's for you to practice. A real nice product for you to start learning what I'm going to show you in the next video, which is going to be lowrider designs, lowrider patterns. I hope you guys are in for that. Another thing, the Mustang is gone because it's gonna go get his motor. It's gonna go get the motor, it's gonna go get the wiring, it's gonna go get everything back. They're gonna bring it back. I'm gonna start assembling everything. Everything has been painted on the Mustang. It's ready to go. I just needed these parts, which I actually flow coated also. And we're good, guys. We are good. Everything's coming together. All right, so I'll leave all the information to his YouTube channel and to his store, where you can buy all these. This is all the materials I'm going to be using for that lowrider patterns, and I'm also going to be using some Grand 7 candies, some Grand 7 candies that are going to be for the creating of the designs. All right, guys, thank you. I didn't want to leave you without a video. So let's just keep on going, and I hope you're looking forward to next weekend, guys. It's gonna be a good one. Thank you. God bless.